Hey everyone, it's your DIY crypto guy. It is Wednesday evening around about 10 o'clock. I wanted to come up with this video because a lot of developments have occurred over the last 3, 4, 5 days, both positive, well actually first negative, now positive. So with my disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial, legal, nor tax advice. So what do we see with the crypto market? Looking at CoinMarketCap, we see approximately about 200 million coming back in. We're at about 1.6 trillion. And, Bitcoin had a nice bump up today, actually, and yesterday. I think it was about 10% yesterday and another, 13, 14, 15% today. And with Bitcoin rising, so have the altcoins. And I'm sure you guys have noticed that as well. But I'm going to go into some articles that I think are relative. Mainly, I'm going to kind of focus on XRP and Bitcoin because those are the two, hot topics that a lot of people are interested in. And quickly diving back into the SEC versus Ripple Labs lawsuit. There's just more and more things coming up. In this article, Ripple lawyers say that the SEC is citing irrelevant evidence in XRP lawsuit. I think there's even an article where the SEC was threatening the judge in the event that they lose the case, it would have detrimental effects on the economy and blah, 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 which is just more FUD. It just goes to show, in my opinion, they don't really have a solid case. This whole lawsuit is a big kind of hold-up event for whatever reason. Maybe it's for adoption, for some kind of clarification, whatever it is. But we can clearly see that the SEC is really showing their true colors. So I'm very, very bullish and positive on XRP and what we may see. And I was performing additional research, and as you guys are aware, or maybe not, as soon as this SEC lawsuit with Ripple either gets settled, if they come up with a settlement, Ripple will soon thereafter IPO. And a funny connection is a lot of financial companies or financial institutions that are connected with RippleNet, they are also going to IPO around about the same time as Ripple. Interesting. It's just something to consider. So why the appreciation in Bitcoin price over the last 2 or 3 days? We had to deal with a lot of FUD from Elon Musk. And again, I think he's serving a certain purpose. For whatever reason, I think we'll only find out, after the fact. But I believe that Elon Musk is serving a purpose with his tweets, with Doge, with Bitcoin. But, before I go to this article, with the pullbacks that we experienced a few days ago, again, we see massive purchasing of Bitcoin. Whenever Bitcoin dumps, or as you guys say, collapse or whatever, guess who's there to buy it right up? Big financial institutions. Michael Saylor raised $500 million to buy more Bitcoin. And do you think he's the only company? As soon as we, the retail, sell our Bitcoins, guess who's right there to buy it? Now, on top of that is going to be countries. Some of you are aware that El Salvador passed a monumental law regarding Bitcoin adoption, meaning Bitcoin is now considered by law as a legal tender. El Salvador has made history, becoming the very first country in the world to officially adopt Bitcoin as legal tender after Congress approved President Nayib Bukelele's bill. Some very, very interesting events are going to unfold out of El Salvador. There's other things in the background that are taking place, but El Salvador is going to be a bit of a game changer for South America. And with that, we have Paraguay. Now, Paraguay may be the next to court crypto businesses. And I think I had even came across a article where not only is it El Salvador and Paraguay, but we're going to see more of the Latin countries. Argentina, Panama, Brazil, Nicaragua. What did I tell you is going to happen? We were the very, let's just say those that invested in Bitcoin, years ago. We were first to the party. Then they tried to demonize it, call it a scam. Then a lot of people sold, or they were discouraged in getting into Bitcoin and other cryptos. And then what happened? Finally, once the crypto market cap creeped up, major financial institutions started to buy. Now that the major financial institutions have started buying, and also in the background, I believe banks, central banks has as well. Now we've seen countries. What is Bitcoin's potential? No one really knows. I'm going to break down as briefly as possible what I foresee happening. And like I said, I've been in the space for over a decade, so I feel that I do have some street cred in regards to, if you want to say, my predictions or my opinions. Bitcoin is going to be the digital gold to back cryptos. And we're going to see over a $250,000 Bitcoin, maybe even $1 million, who knows? I mean, with such a limited supply. And digital currencies such as XRP. Now remember, XRP is not a cryptocurrency, it is a digital currency. XRP will facilitate cross-border payments around the world in seconds. Now, there needs to be a certain amount as a reserve value for XRP to cover every single financial transaction in the world every single day. How many trillions and trillions of dollars do you think they need? XRP is going to solve a multi-$100 trillion liquidity issue. Never before seen in history. What value could XRP be? My opinion, 3 figures, maybe even 4 figures. Call me crazy. A $3 XRP is going to be nothing. And the majority of people that I know are going to sell at $3, $5, even $10. In my opinion, we could see $100 XRP, $1,000 XRP, just my opinion, my strategy, what I'm waiting for. So with this, just some very, very bizarre, very, very interesting, life-changing events that are taking place. And I believe that for the last 2 years, we've been distracted with a certain pandemic. And I think certain things needed to occur to distract us. So guys, hold on tight. I believe over the next few days, we're going to see a very, very nice green crypto market. Even if it pulls back again, it's a buying opportunity. When you see these major pullbacks of 10, 20, 30, 40%, buy. I'm buying. I'm getting back in. I don't buy green days. I don't. Hope this video gives you guys some information to ponder. I will catch you guys on the next video. Cheers.